So now in this next step, I'll show you how to install WordPress on the server. For this, please go to your file manager, click File Manager. If you would like to install template in the root of this server, please click Public HTML and you should upload WordPress original website here. WordPress original website you can find on WordPress.org official website. Please click on Download WordPress, download latest version of WordPress. It's here. And don't need this. And now we should upload here in this space latest this WordPress which we have downloaded the package from WordPress official website. Should wait a few seconds. Everything is okay now. Click on Go Back. Then set this file and click Extract. It has been extracted. We do not need it. We can delete it. Just we should open this folder, check all files set, and drag and drop it in public HTML folder. Click up one level. This folder is empty now and do not need it. This WordPress we need. Everything is okay now. Just we should go on the site here, refresh and start WordPress installation. Click continue. Then let's go. Database name. We should add database name. Click on MySQL. I forgot name of base. Here is. This is base name. The username. Username is this one here. Demo user George. Password, I know password, it is standard password. Localhost VPF0, everything is okay. Submit, run the installation, write for example your site name, admin, then password which you like, confirm as big password and your email address. Install WordPress. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. We have installed WordPress. In the next step, in the third next step, I'll show you how to install theme into the WordPress. Thank you.